Comparing two NumPy arrays for equality, element-wise. What is the simplest way to compare two NumPy arrays for equality, where equality is defined as A equals B if for all indices I, AI, equals BI. Simply using equals equals gives me a Boolean array. Do I have to end the elements of this array to determine if the arrays are equal, or is there a simpler way to compare?
Test if all values of array A equals B are true. Note maybe you also want to test A and B shape, such as a dot shape equals B dot shape. Special cases and alternatives, from Bob's answer and Yo Avon's comment. It should be noted that this solution can have a strange behavior in a particular case. If either A or B is empty and the other one contains a single element, then it returns true. For some reason, the comparison A equals B returns an empty array, for which the OR operator returns true. Another risk is if A and B don't have the same shape and aren't broadcastable, then this approach will raise an error. In conclusion, if you have a doubt about A and B shape or simply want to be safe, use one of the specialized functions.
The A equals B dot all solution is very neat, but there are some built-in functions for this task. Namely array_equal, or close an array_equiv. Although, some quick testing with timeeat seems to indicate that the A equals B dot all method is the fastest, which is a little peculiar, given it has to allocate a whole new array.
If you want to check if two arrays have the same shape and elements, you should use np.array_equal as it is the method recommended in the documentation. Performance-wise, don't expect that any equality check will beat another, as there is not much room to optimize comparing two elements. Just for the sake, I still did some tests. So pretty much equal. No need to talk about the speed. The A equals B dot all behaves pretty much as the following code snippet.
Let's measure the performance by using the following piece of code. Output. According to the results above, the NumPy methods seem to be faster than the combination of the equals operator and the all method, and by comparing the NumPy methods, the fastest one seems to be the NumPy.array_equal method.
Usually two arrays will have some small numeric errors. You can use NumPy.close A, B, instead of A equals B dot all. This returns a bool true/false.
Teachable